Switzerland and Finland have joined the F-35 Club, a development that will greatly strengthen the integrated European power structure in the future. Denmark, Norway, Poland, Italy and the UK have all made measurable progress with their respective F-35 programs. Notably, the British F-35 is in service with the US F-35B aboard the Royal Navy's HMS Queen Elizabeth. Denmark recently received its first F-35A Lightning II, and the Netherlands declared in December that its F-35 fleet was operationally capable. All these recent developments have significantly changed the prevention equation in Europe. This raises an important question. Which European country will join the next F-35 club? Germany is an ally that can make a big contribution to multinational interoperability if it embraces the F-35. However, over the last few years, several reports have suggested that German decision-makers prefer the Eurofighter Typhoon. One potential reason for this is Germany's interest in maintaining European production of Luftwaffe fighter jets. An earlier story in the national interest cites experts and decision-makers that highlighted the work to be made by sticking with the Eurofighter. However, recent developments could affect the equation for Germany. First, Lockheed Martin continues to expand its maintenance, construction and vendor base in Europe to support its growing F-35 customer base. This opens up the possibility for European-based vendors to subcontract Lockheed and create thousands of jobs. Beyond the potential economic impact, there are a growing number of strategic and tactical reasons why Germany could benefit from joining a multinational F-35 force. The F-35's Multifunction Advanced Data Link (MADL) provides a multinational network advantage by offering secure connectivity between F-35s from different countries. This massively improves sensor-to-shooter time, surveillance data networks, and targeting information transmission. In addition, emerging innovations will improve connectivity between 4th and 5th generation aircraft. Enhanced connectivity will allow these fighters to create connected networks capable of responding to emerging threats in real time. Finally, much can be said about the capability and performance differences between the Eurofighter Typhoon and the F-35. The F-35 may be more capable in terms of stealth characteristics, range and precision of sensors, computing, and weapons applications. In addition to increasing German interoperability with allied fleets, the F-35 will introduce a new level of technological sophistication and upgradability for the Luftwaffe. Current thinking suggests that the F-35, with its ability to accept software upgrades that extend its sensing and communications technologies, could remain well established well into the 2070s.